What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Anker Roav Bolt Charger with Google Assistant in black I picked up at Best Buy for $49.99. Out of 5 stars, this gets 3.5 out of 5 out of 322 customer reviews. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of first impressions, as well as a setup and installation of this Roav Bolt car charger, which is exactly what it is. It's a car charger that plugs into your cigarette lighter with the Google Assistant built in. What you do, from what I assume, is you connect it to the Google Assistant app you can download for either iPhone or Android. And then what you do is you connect this via Bluetooth or a 3.5mm aux cable, which I do hope comes in the box, so that you can give this thing voice commands such as navigate to the nearest gas station, or play my next song, or what will the weather be like in 20 minutes. Yeah, today we're going to do an unboxing and a first impressions, as well as a setup and installation. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the box. So what I really like about this box is it's very clear what this is. When I saw this in store, I immediately gravitated towards it, which was really interesting. It does say discover the Google Assistant for your car. What I really like about this is it does have 2 ports for USB cables, so you can charge 2 devices simultaneously. But one of them, I believe, supports 24-watt charging. Not sure if they both support 24-watt charging. I think that's going to be a little bit of a stretch. I have had Anker fast chargers in my car before, and they've been absolutely phenomenal. So I'll be excited to have this in my car again. But what's interesting about this product is, even though it's from Anker, there's nothing on the box saying that it supports fast charging. So I'm a little bit interested to find that out. And then on the back, of course, you get what features it comes with. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the box here. It's just some wrapping paper here. I actually made a slit in the back already, so I could make this just a little bit faster and easier. Very premium packaging here. The side of the package just unfolds there, and you pretty much get a good idea of what this thing will look like in your car. As you can see here, it plugs into the cigarette lighter. Maybe you have a fancy car like this where your cigarette lighter is flush in the center console. I know for a fact that my car does not have the cigarette lighter on top of the center console. It's actually in the glove compartment. Well, not in the glove compartment, I should say the center console actually. But you'll notice that what's interesting about this device is it looks like it has a button on top of it that is a Google Assistant button. So you should be able to give this a physical command if you cannot give it a verbal one. But you get an idea of what exactly the command you can give it. What's nice is on top of the box you get some user manuals, and then you get the charger on top underneath. It does have 2 ports, as you can see there, and then, like I said previously, there is a button on top. Looks like maybe 2 microphones as well to pick up your voice. I'll be interested to see how well this works, given that my cigarette lighter is in the glove or the center console, and this little bottom box should come out. And what's really nice is, one of the questions I had at the beginning of the video was, does this come with a 3.5mm aux cable? And that is what that is. Luckily in my car I have Bluetooth, so we won't be needing that. Let's just look at this charger here. There is that 3.5mm port on the back, so you can plug it into an aux port if you don't have Bluetooth in your car. And then you get 2 USB ports on the back, which is really nice. So like I said at the beginning of the video, you can charge 2 devices simultaneously. Not sure if both of them are 24-watt capable. I know at least one of them is 24-watt capable, which is more than enough power to fast charge a modern day smartphone or tablet. On the top is that Google Assistant button. It's, as you can hear, pretty tactile and pretty responsive, which I like. So there shouldn't be any finagling around in the car when trying to activate the Google Assistant. You should be able to just reach down and click that button. Like I said, you know, my cigarette lighter is located in the center console, so I will definitely be relying on the voice or the verbal portion capability of this little car charger here to deliver, navigation or pick up questions that I have. I expect this one to work really well and work seamlessly with the Google Assistant. Real quick, we're actually starting from scratch here. As you can see, I haven't even logged into my account yet, or maybe I have. Yeah, I've logged into my account, as you can see, but I haven't set up anything in tandem with it, such as the car charger. So you guys are going to be coming along with me, and we're going to be doing a setup and installation. So let's go ahead and head out to the car and do the setup and installation and really finish off this first impressions to see just how well this thing works. Okay, what's going on, everybody? So I've got the Roav Bolt charger plugged in. That was obviously really simple. You just plug it into the cigarette lighter. You get some little LED indicator lights there to let you know that things are charging and that things are on. Looks like it's ready to sync, actually. So we'll go ahead and try to sync it. Got the Google Assistant app here. We're going to go ahead and see if we can't just connect it. Let's go ahead and see if we can maybe find the device. Okay, so here we go. So you go to the Google Assistant app, and then you click on devices, and then you click add, and then we'll set up a Bluetooth device, and it's going to look for one. Bluetooth should automatically be up and running on the Roav Bolt charger, and it should basically come right up. So it's still looking for the device. We are connected to the Roav Bolt E22A, as you can see here. If we go over to finding your device, we're not getting anything, and that's a little bit disappointing to me. Maybe I'm doing this wrong, but that's a little bit disappointing to me. So exit out of that. We'll just try one more time because maybe it's connected now. And yeah, we're not getting anything. So quite interesting that this is not working as planned. I mean, it really should be as easy as going to Bluetooth, connecting it to Bluetooth, syncing it to your phone, syncing it to the app. I mean, it should be like setting up a Wi-Fi range extender, which I did a couple weeks ago. This car charger is blazing fast. Like I said, it does support 24 watts. So I'm already, I as soon as I stepped into the car, I had about 44%. We're looking at about 60%, and I've been recording for about 10 minutes now. Anyways, guys, because I picked this up at Best Buy, that does make it a big box good. Out of 5 stars, it gets 3.5 out of 5 out of 322 customer reviews. I really do apologize that I wasn't able to get this car charger up and running here today. It just is not working. The Google Assistant app needs to be updated, needs to be fixed. There's obviously a bug, and it's hindering me from getting this charger connected. Anyways, guys, I cannot recommend this product. It's simply not good. It gets 3.5 out of 5 stars out of 322 customer reviews. Once again, my name is John. If you want to see more content like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.